Tebekanisiwe kumara emyaka 20 kandi eterwa musente aba banki yensiyona barikurabira mu integrated water project kandi igendereye kwitya abantu nshanjo harigana amaizi mu district ya Buhweju yaheza korwaje
twakufuna mizi manje gokunywa papa ka Uganda yatanga tukabata katunga gamizi marungi onkari yoru nyangu no mugisha gwitu kubasa kubona mizi wentsima government ya Uganda.
Abembezo mu district niyemwe bayereka kushemererwa kwabo kandi basima government abo kwitya abantu amaizi marungi bayonzera basima government abo kutambira abantu ba Buhweju okugenda ndendo ndingwa baronda amaizi
good water, and this definitely will extend water to our homes, which will help the women who have been fetching water in long distances, the children who have fetched water before they go to school in the morning, but also when they come back in the evening, they also have to do the same. So for me, this is a relief to our families, it is a relief to the children, it is a relief to the schools around, and of course it is also a relief to our health because of the waterborne diseases. We want to thank the initiators of this project and pledge our commitment as leaders to support the contractor, support the ministry, to support the other stakeholders to make sure this project is successful, but also that there is value for money.
When you look at the scope, it is going to cover, I think, 52 villages, and we expect at the closure of the project to have raised the water coverage from the 47 to around 70, and that will be a very big leap.
This project when completed, we shall be able to serve around 50,000 people. 50,000 people. And it is designed for a period to last a period of 20 years. And it will serve the two sub-counties, that's Litsia and Karungu.
District ya Buhweju no bwerabiri y'uburgo bw'amaizi agakureberera abantu ba districts ezigetoreire abantu bayo bayini bakozesa amaizi mabi agubeyini bakwatanisa n'enyamishwa ikibenyi kitamagara gabo mu kabikamani.
Has been a source of water for the surrounding districts. Water from Buhweju goes to Kashari, goes to Ibanda, goes to Shema, goes to Nyaruguru, you know, and then we remain with not good water, yet we donate. So I am happy that with the donors are also going to start getting good water.
Godfrey tumwebaze umwembezo mu district niyemwe ashabire contractor Vambeko ukorekera kubasika cyona kurebekangu yahereza abantu ba Buhweju umurimo murungi atiyo yahigana abaturage ubutageza aho kuteganisa contractor ubwarukora umurimo gwe.
Expect quality worker here. We expect you to execute this project in a way it is supposed to be done. You see, we have these small contractors who do kwara work, but for you are not a small company. So your name, your reputation should be seen on the ground. So we don't expect us, obviously we shall be coming to monitor here and there, but we don't expect to be fighting with you. We are only here to see the success of this project.
Government yahereza abhinji bomani sente